2020 to 2024 Toyota Corolla USB charger replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2024 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to replace this little charger port right here. Let's get a blue plastic interior tool so you don't scratch your interior. I'll link it below. And now some people go through the top and the bottom to pull this out, but you can damage your interior panel that way. So I'm going to remove this whole interior panel a little bit, and then we're going to go in the back and get it out. I'll show you what I mean. So first, you can open your glove box if you need to, but we're going to take our tool and just kind of get this top panel piece pulled down a little bit. Again, the interior tool makes it so you don't scratch anything on the inside. So you can kind of pull this out. Now there's a red clip right here, or these tabs, I should say, and you're going to pull these out like that. Try not to pull them straight down because you'll break them off, but you're going to pull it towards yourself and then down, and then they'll come out, and then you'll have access to the USB port right here. And you could reach in here and get this thing out. Now, on the top and bottom, there's a little locking tab on this. What we're going to do is compress the locking tab and then push the USB forward with your other hand. So compress this little tab right here, and then use your other hand to kind of wiggle it and push it forward like this. And then it should pop forward. If you have like a metal flathead, you could use to compress that tab. Luckily, the wire harness is pretty long. We're going to disconnect this connector right here. It's a tiny little button. You push the button and then you pull the connector backwards. Don't pull it by the wires because you'll break the wires. And then here's the USB port right here. Here it is. I'm going to show you the part number. It should be on the side. Here's the part number right here, 86190041230. They're not currently on Amazon, but I will link them when they become available on Amazon. You have to get them at a Toyota parts dealer as of making this video, but they will become available on Amazon, and there will be aftermarket ones down the road that will be cheaper. But anyways, once you get your new one, I'm gonna go ahead and just plug this in right here. This connector only goes in one way. It should kind of snap into place. And then with the USB symbol on the top, we'll just push this guy into place right here. It'll just click into place and you should be good. Now we got to put this panel back in. With these connectors, start from the left, tabs, start from the left and just kind of lift the panel up and then put the tab in the hole and then just kind of push it in. Work your way towards the right and then just kind of push them in like that. And then just kind of do like a gentle little tap to get them in place, and that's it. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Auxito.com promo code. Now, Auxito has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Auxito headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.